Okay, my dear students, as I told you, today we are going to perform an activity on adverbs. So here I am having the list of few verbs. As I told you, verbs are the action words. First is fought, walks, speak, dances, try, greet, sit, clap, sing, grab. Okay, and with these verbs, we have to match a suitable adverb. And I am having the list of adverbs here. Let's see. Carefully, gracefully, slowly, softly, quietly, quickly, bravely, loudly, and cheerfully. Okay, so what we had to do, we have to place a suitable adverb. We have to give a suitable adverb to the verb. Okay, now let's see what is the first verb here. Fought. Which adverb you think will come here? Carefully? Fought carefully. Yes, it can come. Gracefully. No. Slowly. No. Bravely. It is the perfect word? Yes, so we will place it here. Fought bravely. Right? Now let's see. Walk. Walks softly? No. Walks quietly? Yes, it may be. Walks quickly? Yes, it may be. Cheerfully? No. Loudly? No. Carefully? Yes. Walks carefully. Or walks slowly. Okay? Both are possible. Now, next verb is speak. Now, we have to find a suitable adverb. Speak gracefully. Right. Carefully. Yes, it can come. Speak loudly. No. Speak cheerfully. No. Speak quickly. No. Speak quietly. No. Speak softly. Yes. So this is the suitable adverb for this verb speak. Dances gracefully. Right? Try carefully. Right. Now let's see the suitable adverb for the next pair of verbs. Greet. When we greet somebody, greet, yes, gracefully. Sit. This applies to you when we told you in the class. Sit. Sit. Yes, you remember the word. Sit quietly. Clap. Clap loudly for yourself. Those who have done the beautiful work in your notebooks. Sing. Sing cheerfully. And grab. Whatever we are teaching, grab. Grab it slowly. No, quickly. Grab it quickly. So I hope you learned how to choose suitable adverb for the given verb. How the adverbs they change the meaning of the verb. Right? They tells you how the action has been done. How the boy or girl or how the students are sitting in the class, they sit quietly. Okay, so they tell you how the action has been done. That adverb is known as adverb of manner. That adverb is known as adverb of manner, that how the action has been done. Now let's see, we have a few examples for the adverb of manner which tells you how the action has been done. Let's see. The tortoise walks. Which adverb you will choose here? The tortoise walks, yes, slowly. The tortoise walks slowly. So here walk is a verb, okay, and slowly is the adverb which gives the meaning to the verb walk, and it also tells you how the tortoise walk. That is the adverb of manner. How the tortoise walk? It walks slowly. It walks slowly. Okay? Now the captain fought. The captain fought bravely. The captain fought bravely. So this is an adverb which gives meaning to the verb fought. Which gives meaning to the verb fought, that how the captain fought. He fought bravely. And this is which type of adverb? Adverb of manner. This is adverb of manner. Now next is the peacock dances. Yes, this I told you in the beginning. The peacock dances gracefully. Now it tells you how the peacock dances. The peacock dances gracefully. Okay, so I hope you learned that adverb is a word that gives meaning to the verb. Adverb is a word which gives meaning to the verb or adjective or another adverb. Right? And it also tells you how the action has been done. And when it answers the question how the action has been done, that is adverb of manner. Okay? So try this activity at your home also. You will love to do it, and I know you will definitely do it and post your videos on school WhatsApp number. We are eagerly waiting to watch you, that whether you are performing these activities or not. I hope you liked today's activity and learned about adverbs. Thank you.